Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two foldable drones that promise to make you feel like a high-flying ace. On the left, we have the DRONEEYE F10 foldable drone, and on the right, the DROCON drone. Let's see which one will take your drone game to the next level. All right, let's kick things off with the price. The DRONEEYE F10 is priced at a cool $79. Meanwhile, the DROCON drone is a bit more posh, coming in at $109. That's right, folks, for the price of the DROCON, you could almost buy two DRONEEYEs and still have enough left over for a celebratory pizza. So if you're ballin' on a budget, the DRONEEYE F10 might just be your new best friend. Now, let's zoom in on the cameras. The DRONEEYE F10 boasts a 1080p FPV camera with real-time transmission up to 120 meters. It's like having a tiny, flying James Cameron in your pocket. On the flip side, the DROCON drone also sports a 1080p camera, but with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a drone that took a yoga class and can now bend in ways you didn't think possible. Both drones will make your Instagram pop, but the DROCON gives you a bit more flexibility, literally. However, some reviews for the DRONEEYE F10 mention that the camera quality isn't as high as advertised. Let's talk flight features. The DRONEEYE F10 is like the Cirque du Soleil of drones. It can perform 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and follow custom paths you draw on your app. Plus, it has 3 speed options, so whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, there's a setting for you. The DROCON drone isn't slacking either. It has gesture recognition, voice control, surround flight, gravity sensing mode, and even a 360-degree flip. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. But let's be real. If you're not using voice control to make your drone do backflips, are you even living? Reviewers love the DROCON's versatile features, but some also appreciate the DRONEEYE F10's intuitive controls. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a beginner. The DRONEEYE F10 has one key start, landing, and headless mode, making it super user-friendly. It even has a one key return feature for those, "Oh no, where did my drone go?" moments. The DROCON drone matches these features and throws in an emergency stop and propeller guard for good measure. It's like having a drone with a built-in panic button, so if you're prone to mid-air freakouts, DROCON has your back. Reviews for both products highlight their ease of use, but some mentioned initial setup issues with the DRONEEYE F10. Battery life is next. The DRONEEYE F10 doesn't specify its flight time, but the DROCON drone comes with 2 batteries, offering up to 24 minutes of flight time. That's almost enough time to watch a sitcom episode while your drone is out there living its best life. Plus, the remote gives you a low battery warning, so you won't have to worry about your drone pulling a Houdini act mid-flight. DROCON takes the win here with its extended flight time. Reviewers particularly appreciate the extra battery that comes with the DROCON. Finally, let's talk portability. Both drones are foldable, but the DROCON drone takes it a step further with its compact design and included suitcase. It's like the Marie Kondo of drones. Everything neatly packed and ready to spark joy wherever you go. Perfect for those spontaneous outdoor adventures. Reviews highlight the DROCON's excellent packaging and portability, making it a great travel companion. Both the DRONEEYE F10 and DROCON drone have garnered positive reviews, but each has its own set of strengths and weaknesses. The DRONEEYE F10 is praised for its budget-friendly price and ease of use, though some users have noted issues with camera quality and initial setup. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is lauded for its advanced features extended battery life, and excellent portability, despite some concerns about its camera quality and wind resistance. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Both the DRONEEYE F10 and DROCON drone have their strengths. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with fun flight features, the DRONEEYE F10 is your go-to. But if you want extended flight time, more advanced features, and portability, the DROCON drone is worth the extra bucks. Which drone are you leaning towards? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.